Aria 3401, built on the Freightliner XC chassis, built with Thor's Atlas foundation. So we have extra large pass-through storage compartments with double wide slide out trays, plus multiple other storage. But really what the viewers of the channel have really wanted to see are the interiors and the storage inside. We bring you fantastic RVs, detailed walkthroughs, upgrade tutorials, parts reviews, and even some automotive content. This is RVing TV. So let's take a walk inside, and we have these beautifully appointed passenger and driver's chairs with the Thor logo, Freightliner smart wheel with digital dash, our media center here up front, and of course this does have Android Auto and CarPlay on board. As we spin around, I'll give you a nice view of the interior here before we walk through it. So you have the large home theater seats, and the nice touch is they have USBs tucked right in here so you can charge and power your various devices. Good storage throughout. Now this is a triple slide coach, so our dinette is on one slide. What I've noticed with Thor so far in a few coaches that we've gone through is they're using an extra wide dinette table. I mean, look at the size of that table. And you can see from the two place settings, there's still lots of space here to eat. Storage above. As we spin around, we have a nicely appointed galley. So good storage below. Solid surface counters with LED lighting accents underneath the counter. Solid or Corian inserts with a double stainless steel sink. I'll show you the other side here. Residential faucet, induction cooktop. We have our convection microwave here, and it is a residential size, plus good storage with adjustable shelves. Residential fridge, of course. And as we spin around here, we'll show you the multiplex system, which can also be set with an app on your phone, so you can operate a variety of functions from lighting to your inverter, your automatic generator start, set your various temperatures, put your slides in and out, as well as open your various vents. Now this has a mid-bath layout with extra wide counters, medicine cabinet above. I like the frosted glass window to let that natural light in, of course, porcelain toilets, and a full fiberglass surround with the seat that extends around so that you've got flexibility, especially for the ladies. And they've also put in the shower miser, which helps to reduce the amount of water used because it cycles water around back into the tank until it's really heated up, so you're not taking cold water that's coming from your hot water system and putting it into your holding tanks while you're waiting for warm water to come. Now we have a beautiful king-size bed here. One thing to note is the size of the spacing at the sides of the bed, I'm noticing with Thor this year, have gotten a little bit larger, where typically it's been very tight here for most manufacturers, and it looks like they've opened up a little more space, making it easier to get in and out. Power tilt bed as well, storage above, and of course this is on a slide out. Rear closet space here in the back. Now I'll pre-warn you, because I peeked at this is full with the insert cushions here, but it's a nice deep cabinetry with shelving above, and I like that it has mirrors for dressing, so you can get dressed, take a look, do you like your outfit, etc. Hello everyone, by the way. I try to make sure when I get in front of a mirror, I say hello so you can see who's behind the camera. Because I like to do the videos from more of a grassroots standpoint rather than having a whole team of videographers behind it. I like to take you personally through the coaches. Now we have our stacking washer and dryer here. Behind, of course, your louvered cabinet doors. Our TV for viewing, and again, nice countertop here in the bedroom, because it's always handy to be able to fold up your shorts that you've been wearing, or in the morning somewhere to put your pajamas, because you may not want to hang them up all the time. You can fold them neatly here to the corner. At night you can take your wallet, your keys, even your phone, if you don't want it over by the bed, put it over here, and that way it's out of the way for the evening. Now the drawers are nice deep drawers, and they're tall as well. Now let's just try something. And they are soft close drawers. We have another wardrobe here with hanging, but also 2 adjustable shelves, so you can do some custom configuration as to how you like your actual clothes setup. Now I didn't mention earlier, but we do have a double door pantry here with adjustable shelves, and that's very, very deep, as you can see, to get lots of gear in for your traveling. As we make our way forward, you'll notice the beautiful lighting that they've put on the ceiling. And these coaches, a trend I'm noticing with Thor this year is that the air conditioning intakes have now been hidden. So what I'll do is show you the ceiling here, show you that this side is your intakes, because you can see the little foam inserts, and then you have intakes here, and then a variety of outlets throughout. But you'll notice that the air conditioning traditional intake that you see sitting is not there. So they've raised it up above the ceiling line. Now, to give you an idea of how quiet it is, we're going to come right back here, and this air conditioner in the bedroom is running, and I'm going to go silent for a second so you can actually hear it. So you'll notice I've been filming while the ACs have been running here, and the amount of noise is greatly reduced compared to traditional RVs. Now, a final item of note, there's a drop-down bed. That's a queen size that drops down. Unfortunately, we can't operate it for you as we are at a dealer show, but that is a great location for the additional sleeping. So this is the 2024 Aria. Many items have been revamped in the Arya for 2024 by Thor. Check back on the channel. We'll bring you some more floor plans of the Arya and other great Thor and other manufacturers' products. If you like the video, please click the like button. Please subscribe. It'd be greatly appreciated. We look forward to seeing you back at the channel.